Ever wondered how to actually get cryptocurrency into your Kraken wallet? It's a question I get asked all the time, and honestly, it's a super important one. Because let's face it, you can't really do anything with crypto until you have some, right? So, the short answer is a resounding yes, you absolutely can add money to your Kraken wallet. But, like most things in the crypto world, there are a few different ways to do it, and some are definitely better than others. In this video, we're going to break down all the methods for funding your Kraken account, walk through the pros and cons of each, and I'll even share some tips to help you save on fees. So, if you're ready to dive in and get some crypto into your Kraken wallet, stick around. Okay, so you've decided you want to fund your Kraken account. Awesome. The first thing you need to understand is that adding money to your Kraken wallet isn't exactly like adding money to your bank account. You're not depositing physical cash. Instead, you're transferring either cryptocurrency or fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, into your Kraken account. Kraken then converts that fiat currency into the cryptocurrency you want to buy, or simply credits your account with the crypto you transferred. Let's start with the most common method, depositing fiat currency. This is probably what most people think of when they think about adding money. Kraken supports a wide range of fiat currencies, but it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date list. They typically support major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, and AUD, among others. Now, how do you actually deposit fiat? Well, Kraken offers several options, and these can vary depending on your region. One common method is via bank transfer. This usually involves linking your bank account to your Kraken account and then initiating a transfer. Kraken will provide you with specific instructions, including their bank details and any reference numbers you need to include. It's crucial to follow these instructions precisely, as any errors can delay or even prevent your deposit from being processed. Another option for depositing fiat might be using a debit or credit card. However, this method is often less common due to higher fees. Kraken, like many exchanges, may charge a fee for card transactions, and your card issuer might also have their own fees. So, while it might seem like the quickest and easiest option, it's often the most expensive. It's definitely something to consider if you're in a hurry, but for larger amounts, bank transfers are generally the more cost-effective choice. A third, and sometimes available, option is through third-party payment processors. These services act as intermediaries between your bank account and Kraken. They might offer faster processing times than traditional bank transfers, but again, they usually come with associated fees. It's essential to research any third-party processor thoroughly before using them to ensure they are reputable and secure. Now, let's talk about the other way to add money to your Kraken wallet, transferring cryptocurrency. If you already have cryptocurrency in another wallet, you can easily transfer it to your Kraken account. This is a great option if you're already involved in the crypto space and you're simply looking to consolidate your holdings or take advantage of Kraken's trading platform. The process for transferring crypto is relatively straightforward. First, you'll need to generate a deposit address within your Kraken account for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This address is essentially like a bank account number specifically for that cryptocurrency on the Kraken platform. It's absolutely vital that you use the correct deposit address for the correct cryptocurrency. If you try to send Bitcoin to an Ethereum deposit address, for example, your funds will likely be lost forever. So, double check, triple check, and then check again before you initiate any transfer. Once you have the deposit address, you'll need to go to the wallet where your cryptocurrency is currently stored and initiate a withdrawal or transfer. You'll enter the Kraken deposit address as the recipient address, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, and then confirm the transaction. The transfer will then be processed on the blockchain, and after a certain number of confirmations, the cryptocurrency will appear in your Kraken wallet. Now, here's a crucial point to remember about transferring cryptocurrency: network fees. Every transaction on a blockchain requires a small fee to be paid to the network miners who process and validate the transaction. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the current network congestion. So, Be aware that you'll need to have enough of the cryptocurrency in your original wallet to cover both the amount you want to transfer and the network fee. Okay, so we've covered depositing fiat currency and transferring cryptocurrency. Which method is right for you? Well, it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're brand new to crypto and you're just starting out, depositing fiat currency via a bank transfer is probably the easiest and most common way to get started. It might take a few days for the transfer to be processed, but it's generally the most cost-effective option for larger amounts. If you already have cryptocurrency in another wallet, then transferring it to your Kraken account is a quick and convenient way to get your crypto into Kraken. Just remember to double-check those deposit addresses and be mindful of network fees. Regardless of which method you choose, security is paramount. Never share your Kraken login credentials with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. And always be wary of phishing scams. Kraken will never ask for your password via email or any other unsolicited communication. If you receive a suspicious email or message, do not click on any links and contact Kraken support directly. Another thing to keep in mind is deposit limits. Kraken, like many exchanges, may have deposit limits in place, especially for new accounts. These limits might vary depending on your verification level and the deposit method you're using. So, it's a good idea to check Kraken's website for the most up-to-date information on deposit limits. Finally, let's talk about fees. Fees are a part of life in the crypto world, but you can definitely minimize them with a little planning. As we discussed earlier, bank transfers are generally the most cost-effective way to deposit fiat currency. When transferring cryptocurrency, pay attention to network fees and choose a time when the network is less congested if possible. Kraken also has its own fee schedule for trading, so be sure to familiarize yourself with those fees as well. So, to recap, yes, you absolutely can add money to your Kraken wallet. You can deposit fiat currency via bank transfer, debit/credit card, or third-party payment processors. You can also transfer cryptocurrency from another wallet. Choose the method that best suits your needs and always prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.